In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to view an error report that will appear after you do a data import into AlignMix. So first, let's try to import some data. So we do that by clicking on File, Import, import your data, select the file for import, and now we simply import the correct fields by dragging and dropping from the left to the corresponding section on the right, territory name, district ID, and region ID. Click Next, you get a summary of what we're about to import, and Next again. When the import is finished, you will have the ability to save an error report if you do have errors. And to save that error report, you click on the Save button here, and then you can save it onto your desktop and click Save. Right after you save that error report, it will open up on your screen, and you can see here we've got 4 rows that are errors. The most common type of errors are blanks. So basically just missing data for the geography, or it can be missing data for the assignments. If AlignMix sees that, it will consider that an error because it doesn't know what to do with a blank space. Another common error is typos. So you can see here, this is not a valid zip code. So someone maybe accidentally typed in too many numbers or even letters, and it created an incorrect postcode. The other type of common errors are foreign postcodes. So here you can see we've got some Canadian FSAs included in this file. And AlignMix can import any foreign zip codes if you're working in a 5-digit US zip code map. You can only import 5-digit zips into that kind of file. So that's why these appeared as errors. So to recap, the most common errors that will create an error report are blanks, typos, and foreign postcodes. And there you go. You've just learned how to view your error reports in AlignMix.